Hey everybody, today I'm here with my nephew Emmett and we're gonna make popcorn based on what Emmett's favorite flavors are. What kind of popcorn do you want to make today?
Nerds.
Nerds?
Nerds are hot.
What kind of popcorn is Nerds popcorn?
Orange, grape, and green apple.
Orange, grape, and green apple. Okay, what else are we gonna put in this popcorn?
Nerds.
Nerds? Okay, so you want to make orange, grape, and green apple popcorn with Nerds in it.
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. All right, Emmett, we got our ingredients here. So tell us what we got.
Green apple, orange, and grape, and then the Nerds.
Green apple floss sugar, we have orange floss sugar, and we have grape glaze pop. And then we have all these awesome rainbow Nerds. So we're going to measure out some orange. We're gonna make orange first. So we need to get 10 ounces of orange floss sugar.
It's scary. I've never done this.
That's okay, you're doing good.
I did it.
Perfect. Awesome. So we have 10 ounces of floss sugar. Let's fire up the kettle.
Let's get popping.
1.5 cups of corn oil, 3 cups of corn. Good job. All right. Yep.
There's one more.
All right, got it. All right, we got our kernels heating up. And as soon as this starts to pop, we're gonna put in our orange floss sugar. We also have these great box of Nerds that we're going to dump in after we pop our corn. If you want to pick up the Popcorn Genius recipe book, there's a link down in the description where you can get that today and download it absolutely free. You want to open it? Yeah, open it up.
Ooh, can't eat them, I know that.
Yeah, you could try some. All right, give it a shot. What do they taste like? Oh, we're starting to pop. Go ahead, try them, let me know. Let's add in our orange floss sugar.
Yummy.
How are they?
Yummy.
Have some more.
Yeah.
All right, we got to save some for the popcorn, but that's pretty good. All right, we're starting to pop. Turn off our heat. Dump those Nerds right in. Don't touch. There you go. Awesome.
There's one extra.
All right, let's dump it out.
Wow, that looks yummy.
Ooh, you can smell those Nerds. All right, so we got our Nerds and our popcorn. We're gonna stir that around. Now we're gonna make apple popcorn.
10 more.
10.
I wanted to get on me. Yay.
Good job.
That was too much.
All right, let's fire up this popcorn popper. 1.5 cups of oil, 3 cups of corn. Nice. All right, we're gonna heat this up. And as soon as this starts to pop, we're gonna add in our apple floss sugar. Emmett, how do you think this popcorn's gonna be?
Really good. I've never tried the green apple.
What does it smell like?
There's sugar that tastes like green apple.
It smells like green apple. All right, we're starting to pop. Let's put in our green floss sugar. All right, Emmett, dump them in.
There's white ones in this box.
We're gonna stir those up. Let's give it a dump. Ooh, I love the way those Nerds smell. All right, ooh, wow, it's starting to smell really good. You smell it?
Yeah.
All right, Emmett, now we're gonna measure out our grape glaze pop. Okay, so we have, how many?
4 ounces.
Okay, we have 4 ounces of grape, but we need 10 to make a full batch. So we're gonna top it off with
Sugar. We don't want big lumps. More. A bit more sugar. It's gonna be a lot of sugar. Me and my sister are gonna go crazy after this.
there we go.
A bit more.
Looks good. All right, let's make some grape popcorn. We got 1.5 cups of corn oil.
And these.
Okay, so we only had about half the amount of grape glaze pop that we needed. So we added sugar in there, and this way we'll just top it off. We'll make a full batch with half grape glaze pop, half sugar. So it'll probably be like a grape kettle corn, lightly flavored. So should be good though. Down in the description is gonna be a link to the Become a Popcorn Genius book that you can pick up on Amazon, so check out that link too. Also, down in the description are links to all the products we're using here today. All right, we're starting to pop. We're gonna add in sugar.
It's really sugar.
Dump it right in there.
Here you go, kernels. Bye, bye.
You could still really smell that grape a lot. It smells really, really good. I love the grape one. It smells just like grape Jolly Ranchers. It's popping up almost like glue, which is really interesting because we have so much sugar in there. So we're gonna turn off our heat, dump it in there, dump the whole box in.
You deserve 2 nerds. There you go, popcorn.
All right, let's give it a dump.
Oh. Make something funny. Okay?
All right, so we have our popcorn here. Look at all this, Emmett. How cool is this? We got, what flavors are in here again?
Orange, grape and sugar, and green apple. Nerds.
Okay. All right, so we got some pieces here. We got some grape, some green apple, and some orange, and there's nerds.
Ooh. Can I
Still
try?
pretty hot. Think you want to try this one?
Yes. The
Try
nerds
it
melted.
together. I'm gonna try all 3 at one time.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna try it too.
Okay, let's go.
Nerds are hot.
Wow. I actually really like this. I tried all 3 flavors at once. Did the grape one taste grapey? Got
I
some
taste
grape.
more sugar.
More sugar than grape? Yeah.
Plain popcorn, really. I haven't tried orange.
Look how good that looks. All right, try an orange one. Did you already try an orange one?
Yeah, yummy.
Yummy.
My favorite one.
The orange? I like
Listen.
this one's got all kinds of nerds. Try it. Oh yeah, that's really. What do you think? Success?
Yes.
One of your favorite flavors?
Yes, I do magic trick now.
So there you have Emmett's Nerds flavor. Really great, a lot of fun. So remember, you can make flavors just like this. You just got to get out there
And get popping.